everyone, it's Gabriella from Berardi Immigration Law, and I wanted to have a follow-up video to piggyback off of Rosanna Berardi's video that she submitted recently, which we have the link for below. I want to talk about international travel right now. A lot of people think, oh, we got vaccines now, we have advanced testing, surely I can travel anywhere I want in the world and still be able to re-enter the United States. And I want to make clear, that is not the case any longer. Even if you have a work permit in the United States, even if you have the ability to work and to live in the United States, does not mean that if you travel to certain countries around the world that you are going to be readmitted to the United States. So here's a PSA for all of you. If you are traveling to any of the following countries, you cannot re-enter the United States within 14 days of travel to that country. Number 1, the UK, Ireland, Schengen countries, which is most of Western Europe, Brazil, China, India, Iran, and South Africa. If you have gone to any of these countries in the last 15 days or 14 days, you are not able to immediately re-enter the United States. Now, some exemptions do exist. Number 1, if you are the spouse or parent of a U.S. citizen, you are exempted and you may re-enter the United States. Also, if you have obtained something called a national interest exemption from the Department of State in the country where you have traveled to, you may be able to re-enter the United States without having to quarantine for 14 days. Now, these national interest exemptions are very difficult to obtain. There is a very high threshold for proving it truly is in the national interest of bringing you back to the United States. And one of the things we predominantly now have to be able to show is that you are coming back to the United States to work in a critical infrastructure sector. This may be security, telecommunications. It might be a certain information technology or healthcare sector. Unless you can show through evidence to the Department of State that you are going to be working in one of these sectors and it truly is of extreme importance for you to re-enter the United States, they do not have to grant you an exemption to come back to the United States. And you will have to quarantine in either another country for 14 days or you'll have to cancel your trip. So, guys, be really careful. Again, if you have a work permit in the United States, this does not mean you're going to re-enter the United States after traveling to one of these countries. If you are a green card holder or a U.S. citizen, yes, you are also exempted, but otherwise you are not. So be very careful. If you have any questions about travel to the United States at this time, please give us a call before you make that trip, because you might be finding yourself in a difficult situation, and I don't know if we'll be able to help you at that point. So give us a call, reach out. We'd love to help you. Take care.